So I'm going to do a video series on my dog who has a CCL tear. Did he leave you any water? Which is like an ACL tear in a human. It's a cranial cruciate ligament tear, and he has it in his back left knee. And here he is. This is Shadow. Hi, Shad. He is almost 10, and he is a lab shepherd mix. And my other dog just drank all of his water, so I'll need to go get that for him. So about 2 weeks ago, he started limping, and we took him to the vet. They thought it was arthritis. Let me just fill this up really quick. They gave us some Rimadol and sent us home, and then the limp got worse and worse until July 1st. He just couldn't get up at all. His limp was actually in the front legs, which is interesting to note, but now in hindsight, this is Woody, my other lab. Hi, Wood. What was going on was Shadow was compensating with his front legs for his back either tear or rupture. You don't know until they go in and actually do surgery. So anyway, when his front ribs started giving out is when he became completely incapacitated. And so let's see, that was, actually we took him in June 22nd. That was July 1st. Today is July 8th, and we have an appointment with an orthopedic surgeon this coming up Thursday, but I've pretty much made up my mind not to do surgery at this point. What I'm planning on doing is getting a custom-made stifle brace for him. We have the cast kit coming. We'll cast his leg and get the molding so they can create the proper stifle brace for him. And then I started him on a joint supplement, Cosequeen right now, but I'm thinking of switching him over to Platinum Performance because it is a combination of everything I want. It's got the hyaluronic acid in it, because if I stay on Cosequeen, I'm going to add hyaluronic acid in, and what I'm trying to do is beef up his other joints, his other legs, and he also has hip dysplasia because of his age, and he was actually hit by a car when he was a puppy. So I'm trying to help those other joints to be strong. So I'm also doing phototonic red light therapy every day on it, and I'll show you what that looks like. That's this thing. And it's Phototonic Health is the maker. I actually have it for my horses, but I'm using it on him twice a day for the inflammation. I took him off the Rimadil because he was having stomach irritation with that. So I'm doing the phototonic laser on his leg for inflammation, and then we are giving tramadol for pain relief. We've been giving it twice a day. Today he hasn't had it, so we'll probably just give it tonight because he's not in excessive pain. It doesn't appear. I'll do a video in a little bit later today showing you how he walks, so it's pretty bad. So the plan of action right now is the stifle brace, the rest, of course, the supplements, the pain relief, and the phototonic health. And so I'm going to document this and see how it goes. We're going to do the conservative management for a few weeks. If that does not produce the results we want, then we will consider surgery for Shadow.
Meet Harley, her new kitten. Oh, she likes that. Really? That's good. Sardines. That's good. You like that? Good girl. Look at the size of her ears. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe now.
I wish we were having Christmas in July. No winter anymore, warm breezes by the shore, long days beneath the summery sky. Santa doesn't have to hurry to leave town. There's nothing here but time, gin tonic and some lime. He'll probably stick around. 3 ships sailing on the ocean blue. All the children fast asleep. Now there's only me and you. Trees all decorate themselves with butterflies. Our blues are on the run, we're soaking up the sun. Yuletime in paradise. Ukuleles playing Silent Night. Fragrant flowers in your hair, your skin so fair and soft beneath the moonlight. Now it's winter and the snow is piling high. Let's change the holiday, vacation far away, next Christmas in July. There's nothing there but time, gin tonic and some lime, next Christmas in July. Our blues are on the run, we're soaking up the sun, next Christmas in July.
Again. Oh, my name is Nicholas. You may know me by another name. Most people call me Santa Claus, but elves who know me best and help me most, they just call me Nick. Every year, round about August, the elves in the North Pole Ministry of Public Relations start pressuring me to participate in social media. I listen a little, I've tweeted a little, but I'm a very, very old man and tend to think new technology is best used by you young people. Still, I'll try anything once or twice. If I wasn't willing to try things, I'd probably not love sashimi so much. The elves asked me to record a video for all you YouTubers to give you an opportunity to ask me questions. As I'm sure you can imagine, it's a busy time of year for me, and this year is especially complicated as we deal with an overstock of suddenly unpopular Elmo toys and a shortage of Big Birds. That's not your problem, though, it's mine. It's a logistical nightmare, if I'm being candid, but we've almost solved it, and they're telling me to wrap this up. Well, okay. Leave a comment on this video, or even better, reply with a video of your own to ask me something you'd like to know. My Director of Communications, Maynard Pumpernickel, will watch all of the videos and share his favorites with me. Keep it clean and civil. Almost everyone on my naughty list gets there based on mean comments they post on YouTube. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to get your questions, and subscribe so you can get my answers.
NORAD's cutting-edge technology provides real-time updates on Santa's Yuletide journey around the world. Our constellation of defense satellites use infrared radar to keep pinpoint accuracy on the heat signature from Rudolph's nose. Ground-based radar tracking sites relay updates to our elite fighter pilots who often escort Santa's sleigh through North American airspace. Our maritime forces in the Navy and Coast Guard make sure the seas are safe and secure beneath the flight path of the man in red. And finally, our special Santa cameras in strategic locations around the world capture images of Santa during his flight. Modern technology also allows people around the world to keep up with Santa's flight path using mobile apps, social media, and the NORAD Track Santa website. At the heart of it all, people can call or email the NORAD Track Santa Operations Center in Colorado Springs on December 24th. Volunteers are standing by to answer that all-important question: when will Santa get to my house?